Hello there, it's me, Olga. Today I have some big news to share with you. I'm starting my own little collection of card-making products. The name of the brand is Paper Discovery. It will be available in Craft Stash online store. It is located in the UK and it does ship worldwide. So now let's have a look at the products.
The collection includes 9 die sets, 2 die and stamp sets, as well as 2 embossing folders. You can mix and match the dies from each set to create a lot of different projects. You can also combine different die sets to create even greater variety of projects. Please join Facebook Live tomorrow at Craft Stash Facebook page at 1 p.m. UK time or 8 a.m. New York time. You will have a chance to look closer at each product and learn what you can do with it. I will also be presenting 2 full beginning-to-end tutorials on how you can create a shaker tag with a gift card holder, as well as a nice large layered card. Most importantly, there will be lots and lots of giveaways and lots of chances for you to win the new products. I will add the link to the Facebook Live in the description below tomorrow, and I'm so much looking forward to seeing you all. Bye!